This video is for pronunciation improvement. By the way, how do you pronounce this word? Accessory? No. You are mispronouncing this word. The correct pronunciation for this word is accessory. 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 You need to have all of your accessories in order to make a video tutorial. So as you can see that the sound is not stressed. We are stressing the s sound, the first s sound. Accessory. Accessory. There is no stress on a, right? And the next thing is that a in the spelling is not pronounced as a. It is pronounced as a. Accessory. Accessory. So improve your pronunciation skills by following our channel and keep watching these videos. If you are not sure about the pronunciation of many other words, we have created some very good content on our YouTube channel. So kindly click this video that you can see here and improve your pronunciation. Thank you so much.